Section 40.121. Who is qualified to act as an MRO? To be qualified to act as an MRO in the DOT drug testing program, you must meet each of the following requirements of this section. 40.121A. Credentials. You must be a licensed physician, doctor of medicine, or osteopathy. If you are a licensed physician in any U.S., Canadian, or Mexican jurisdiction and meet the other requirements of this section, you are authorized to perform MRO services with respect to all covered employees wherever they are located. For example, if you are licensed as an MD in one state or province in the U.S., Canada, or Mexico, you are not limited to performing MRO functions in that state or province, and you may perform MRO functions for employees in other states or provinces without becoming licensed to practice medicine in the other jurisdictions. 40.121B. Basic knowledge. You must be knowledgeable in the following areas. 40.121B1. You must be knowledgeable about and have clinical experience in controlled substance abuse disorders, including detailed knowledge of alternative medical explanations for laboratory-confirmed drug test results. 40.121B2. You must be knowledgeable about issues relating to adulterated and substituted specimens, as well as the possible medical causes of specimens having an invalid result. 40.121B3. You must be knowledgeable about this part, the DOT MRO guidelines, and the DOT agency regulations applicable to the employers for whom you evaluate drug test results, and you must keep current on any changes to these materials. You must subscribe to the ODAPC listserv at https://www.transportation.gov/get-odapc-email-updates. DOT agency regulations, DOT MRO guidelines, and other materials are available from ODAPC, Department of Transportation, 1200 New Jersey Avenue Southeast, Washington, D.C., 20590, 202-366-3784, or on the ODAPC website, http://www.transportation.gov/ODAPC. 40.121C. Qualification training. You must receive qualification training meeting the requirements of this paragraph, C. 40.121C1. Qualification training must provide instruction on the following subjects. 40.121C1 Sub 1. Collection procedures for urine specimens. 40.121C1 Sub 2. Chain of custody, reporting, and record keeping. 40.121C1 Sub 3. Interpretation of drug and validity tests results. 40.121C1 Sub 4. The role and responsibilities of the MRO in the DOT drug testing program. 40.121C1 Sub 5. The interaction with other participants in the program, e.g., DERs, SAPs, and 40.121C1 Sub 6. Provisions of this part and DOT agency rules applying to employers for whom you review test results, including changes and updates to this part and DOT agency rules, guidance, interpretations, and policies affecting the performance of MRO functions, as well as issues that MROs confront in carrying out their duties under this part and DOT agency rules. 40.121C2. Following your completion of qualification training under paragraph C1 of this section, you must satisfactorily complete an examination administered by a nationally recognized MRO certification board or subspecialty board for medical practitioners in the field of medical review of DOT-mandated drug tests. The examination must comprehensively cover all the elements of qualification training listed in paragraph C1 of this section. 40.121C3. You must meet the requirements of paragraphs A, B, and C of this section before you begin to perform MRO functions. 40.121D. Requalification training. During each 5-year period from the date on which you satisfactorily complete the examination under paragraph C2 of this section, you must complete requalification training. 40.121D1. This requalification training must meet the requirements of the qualification training under paragraph C1 of this section. 40.121D2. Following your completion of requalification training, you must satisfactorily complete an examination administered by a nationally recognized MRO certification board or subspecialty board for medical practitioners in the field of medical review for DOT-mandated drug tests. The examination must comprehensively cover all the elements of qualification training listed in paragraph C1 of this section. 40.121E. Documentation. You must maintain documentation showing you currently meet all requirements of this section. You must provide this documentation on request to DOT agency representatives and to employers and C/TPAs who are using or negotiating to use your services.